Today we are making one of my favorite sauces. It's the Indo-Chinese Manchurian sauce. All these amazing dishes in Indo-Chinese cuisine carry all of that delicious, sweet, salty, spicy flavor from Chinese cuisine. And these dishes are going to get you hooked on all of these flavors and sauces. So let's make my Manchurian sauce with tofu. To make our super crispy tofu, we use cornstarch and rice flour. Rice flour gives it this really nice and crisp texture which you don't get with all-purpose flour, especially if you're just pan frying it. Zip the ziploc, put on some music and shake it until all of the tofu is covered. Once the tofu is covered, just open the ziploc and take out the tofu pieces using a fork and put it in a plate. To pan fry the tofu, heat a skillet over medium-high heat, add some oil. Once the oil is nicely hot, add the coated tofu and spread evenly on the skillet. Keep flipping them around until all of the edges of the tofu are nicely crisp and you don't see any flour streaks anywhere on the tofu. Add a little bit more oil to the skillet, reduce the heat to medium-low. Then added the minced ginger, garlic and green chilies to the skillet. Mix really well and continue to cook until the garlic is somewhat golden. Then add in a good pinch of salt, the chopped white parts of the green onion and the green bell pepper. Then add all of the sauces. Once this mixture is coming to a boil, then mix your cornstarch into the water, mix really well and add it to the pan. Bring this sauce to a nice boil. It will thicken within a minute or so. Then add your crisped up tofu, toss well to coat and switch off heat. Garnish with your green onion and serve this immediately. You want to serve this tofu immediately for the best crunch. It tastes amazing even later, even without the crunch. It just is a fabulous sauce and it's a fabulous dish. This tofu Manchurian is great as an appetizer or over rice or noodles or in lettuce wraps or right out of the pan. I also have a lot of other Indo-Chinese recipes on the blog like my dragon chicken soy curls, Indo-Chinese, fried rice, chili garlic noodles, veggies and hot garlic sauce and so many more. The Manchurian sauce can get very spicy depending on the green chili that you're using. I'm using Serrano. You can use an Indian or a Thai green chili as well. If you don't want it to be super hot, use a mild chili of choice or just use some green bell pepper instead. This Manchurian tofu is so good. It smells amazing in here. If you do try this recipe, do let me know in the comments. Also, please do review it on the blog. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.